Hello everyone, welcome to Lonial classes. Students, today we are going to do the MCQ quiz of outcome of democracy. It is the 7th chapter of your political science book. But don't forget to subscribe this channel before starting this video. Okay, let's start our quiz. Question 1. A democratic government is option A responsive government, B an accountable government, C a legitimate government, D all of the above. Correct option is all of the above. Question 2. If in a democracy a citizen has a right and means to examine the process of decision making, it is known as option A transparency, B dictatorship, C equality, D legitimate. Correct option is A transparency. Question 3. Democracy is based on the idea of option A majority, B minority, C deliberation and negotiation, D none of these. Correct option is C deliberation and negotiation. Question 4. Democracy is better than any other form of government because it promotes equality among citizens, B enhances the dignity of the individual, C improves the quality of decision making, D all of these. Correct option is D all of these. Question 5. What is the most distinctive features of democracy? Option A, its examination never gets over. B, its examination gets over after a period. C, it never fulfills people's demand. D, none of the above. Correct option is A, its examination never gets over. Question 6. How many countries of the world have democratic setup of government? Option A, less than 100 countries. Option B, more than 100 countries. Option C, less than 50 countries. D, more than 50 countries. Correct option is B, more than 100 countries. Question 7. According to a survey in the countries of South Asia in 2007, democracy is preferred by a majority of the all countries except in option A, Pakistan, B, Sri Lanka, C, Bangladesh, D, Nepal. Correct option is A, Pakistan. Question 8. Democracy do not accommodate various social division by option A, suppressing internal social differences, B, evolving mechanism to negotiate between different groups, C, developing a procedure to conduct competition among all social division, D, presenting the general views. Correct option is A, suppressing internal social differences. Question 9. How much of the population of Bangladesh lives in poverty? Option A, 10%, B, over 50%, C, over 75%, D, 25%. Correct option is B, over 50%. Question 10. What does the term ultra rich mean? Option A, highly wealthy. B, wealthy. C, highly healthy. D, not very wealthy. Correct option is A, highly wealthy. Question 11. Democracy is not preferred in option A, USA. B, Pakistan. C, India. D, China. Correct option is D, China. Question 12. Which country has democratic government since independence? Option A, Bhutan. B, Pakistan. C, India. D, Nepal. Correct option is India. Question 13. We can judge democracy by its option A, people. B, outcome. C, political parties. D, none of the above. Correct option is B, outcome. Question 14. The successful democracy needs option A, right to vote. B, freedom. C, periodic election. D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question 15. What is regarded as a definite plus point of democratic regime? Option A, rule of majority. B, participative decision making. C, ability to handle social differences, division and conflicts. D, none of the above. Correct option is C, ability to handle social differences, division and conflicts. Question 16. Democracy has failed on which grounds? Option A, corruption. B, economic inequality. C, literacy rate. D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question 17. Why is the democratic government regarded as a better choice? Option A, it promotes equality among citizens. B, it ensures economic development. C, it provides a method to resolve conflict. D, both A and C. Correct option is D, both A and C. Question 18. Which factor is often missing from a non-democratic government? Option A, efficiency. B, effectiveness. C, transparency. D, none of these. Correct option is C, transparency. Question 19. Choose the correct statement. Option A, democracy can fully and permanently resolve conflicts among different groups. B, dictatorship can fully and permanently resolve conflict among different groups. C, no regime can fully and permanently resolve conflict among different groups. D, none of these. Correct option is C, no regime can fully and permanently resolve conflicts among different groups. Question 20. Which among the following has a higher rate of economic growth and development? Option A, democracies. B, dictatorships. C, all non-democratic regime. D, monarchies. Correct option is B, dictatorship. Question 21. Which of these values have the moral and legal sanction in a democracy? Option A, gender equality. B, caste-based equality. C, economic equality. D, both A and B. Correct option is D, both A and B. Question 22. Which among the following countries is a perfect example of social diversity? Option A, Sri Lanka. B, Belgium. C, Saudi Arabia. D, Pakistan. Correct option is B, Belgium. Question 23. Why is the cost of time that democracy pays for arriving at a decision worthwhile? Option A. Decisions are taken following due procedures. B. Decisions are always in favor of people. C. Decisions are more likely to be acceptable to the people and more effective. D. None of these. Correct option is C. Decisions are more likely to be acceptable to the people and more effective. Question 24. What is the most basic outcome of democracy? Option A, significant decision making. B, powerful repressive governance. C, accountability of the citizens. D, none of the above. Correct option is C, accountability of the citizens. Question 25. Mention the factor that contributes to the economic development of the country. Option A, population size. B, global situation. C, economic priorities adopted by the country. D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question 26. On what ground is a dictatorship form of government is better than democracy? Option A, economic growth. B, population growth. C, employment generation. D, none of these. Correct option is A, economic growth. Question 27. People complaining about democracy show that option A, democracy is useless. B, people are aware. C, leaders are inefficient. D, none of these. Correct option is B, people are aware. Question 27. Which country tops in the inequality of income? Option A, South Africa. B, Russia. C, United Kingdom. D, Hungary. Correct option is A, South Africa. Question 29. Among the following regimes, which tops the rate of economic growth? Option A, all democratic regime. B, all dictatorial regime. C, poor countries under dictatorship. D, poor countries under democracy. Correct option is B, all dictatorial regime. Question 30. Long struggle by women have created some sensitivity today that respect to and dash are necessary ingredients of a democratic society. Option A, equal participation of people. B, voting. C, equal treatment of women. D, participation of minorities. Correct option is C, equal treatment of women. Thank you. Thank you so much.